Ooh, big one. Set the hook. That's a big fish, bro. Ooh, that's a big fish.
Dude, it hit it.
Yeah, I saw it.
Too.
I saw it. I think that's a largemouth, bro.
Yeah.
That's a big fish, bro. Damn, bro. Fish, dude. Oh my god. Oh,
Oh,
no.
yeah.
Oh, damn, it's heavy too.
Oh. The land ratio.
Nice. Oh, that's a. Hook him hard. You can see it. Look how solid it is. Ooh, shit. Oh, that's a nice one. You need that? Yeah. Oh, first cast, dude? Hell yeah, dude.
Right at the boat, too.
Right at the boat. Whopper on the bigger one, too. Shit. Damn, nice, dude. Here, let's take a picture of that right now. Straighten that tail out. The tail out. Yeah. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Damn, I can't believe that fucking thing came back.
Yeah.
It's like, fuck this shit, I'm not done with you. This one. Ooh, feel good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah, that looks like a good one, bro. Oh, that is a good one, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, hell yeah, dude, I love fighting fish. Nice! Hell yeah, it's like 2.5. Hell yeah, bro, nice fish. Hook 'em hard. The fam gets it done again. Let's get a quick pic of you.
If there's more to do, there we go.
I feel good.
No.
Nice fish. What'd you get on the kite tag? Nice. Shit, that's a nice fish. That's not a dink, dude. What do you know? Dude, that's a nice fish, dude. That's a lot bigger than I thought. You sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Shit, that fucker up then. Kite tag.
Dude, that's actually pretty decent.
Yeah, it's a nice fish, dude. That's a nice fish, dude. It's a 2.5 pounder at least. Damn, it swallowed it too. Nice. Just stick it in there. Get a good shot. That was a good hook set too. I totally seen it. Which one?
Yeah.
Feel good?
On the drop.
Feel good? Me?
I don't really know.
You don't really know. We're about to find out. Pulling like it's a good one, dude.
Oh, yeah, it might be a good one. Definitely just made it a run.
It was probably swimming towards you, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, it's bigger than you think, dude. Don't even see it yet.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Oh, big largemouth. Oh my god.
Dude.
Big largemouth.
Dude, I barely had that too.
Oh. Oh my god. I told you. It's just like the weird, like the. Dude, that's a nice. Oh my god. Get a nice picture. 2, 1. Dude. Get a camera, get a good shot on that. Nice.
This
Dude,
is
it's
a nice
so
belly.
fat too. Oh my, look at a mouth on it.